Odoo report field data is undefined when expected false. I have modified CRM_opportunity_report. Added a Boolean field is _customer equals fields.boolean is customer, read only equals true. Added a field to the view. After this in the report when I click plus and choose as customer sometimes value undefined appears as a value for it. Tried this, coalesce rp.customer, false, as is _customer, and the same in group by, but undefined is still present. How in Odoo report I can make undefined mean false so that when it's undefined appears false. Note, when debugging with Firefox I can observe that from the server comes, sync, data with either is _customer, false or is _customer, true on items of report. But somehow those items that have is _customer, false on the report view are displayed as if is _customer, undefined. Update. Somewhat accidentally I stumbled upon this line. What might be the reason behind this logic? If value is false return undefined ? Funny part, I can add if value equals true, return _t whatever, smile.
It's not ideal, but you could create a kind of computed copy / dummy field on res.partner that stores a char version of the Boolean field. Take this for example where the compute method just checks if the field is true and stores st or f depending on that. Documentation on computed fields. Note, store equals true is probably optional, but if you store the field, then you must use some depends field as a trigger to recompute. If you don't store the computed field, then the depends should be left off.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.